If you are in the process of selling your Amazon-based business or thinking about selling your Amazon-based business or your Amazon-based brand, one of the things you need to look for when you get that letter of intent is who is going to cover the expenses. Which parties are going to cover the accounting costs, the investigatory costs? You want to make sure there's no provision that if the deal falls through that you actually owe the acquiring company money. And this is just one aspect of the letter of intent that you need to know about in advance, because deals that may look really, really great on paper, you're going to get $2 million, you're going to get $4 million. You want to make sure that in that letter of intent that you're not tied to that company too much, that you have a chance to see that they have the ability to succeed, who's going to pay the expenses, and very, very importantly, you want to make sure there are no penalties that may attach to you. You want to learn more about how to build value into your Amazon-based brand before you get to the point of selling? Please check out the Amazon Training Center, amazontrainingcenter.com. Our first course has 6 parts about building value into your Amazon-based business. Also, feel free to contact me. And you can also contact David Miller, our managing attorney for our Business Law for Sellers Department.